As a natural part of Earth's ecosystem, humans have adapted to, and exist in, many different environments. Unfortunately, and sometimes unknowingly, we have often caused significant environmental damage. This is certainly true on New Zealand's coast. As we have seen, we are attracted to it for many reasons: recreation, food, transport, and aesthetic and social values. And while we now know that coastal erosion and flooding are natural processes, and often self-recovering, we do see that beaches, dune systems, and estuaries have been badly impacted by human development and activity. Dunes have been cleared of natural vegetation, replanted with exotic species, used for farming, converted to pine plantations, and encroached on by numerous subdivisions. Estuaries have suffered excess water, sediment and pollution from catchments, been drained for stock farming, and infilled for development, have been used as rubbish dumps, or as drains for sewage and stormwater, and had wetland vegetation removed. It seems only right that since humans have been the cause of these problems, that they should also work on the solutions. In this last video of the series, let's look at the many roles humans play in restoring our degraded coastal ecosystems and in managing them well into the future. People are involved at every level in this effort, from individual through small groups to large organisations. It has become increasingly clear with experience that the two key ingredients for success are nature-based solutions, or working with nature as we've been calling it, and local participation in a partnership approach. Locals know and love their own coast. Locals can include individuals, tangata whenua, iwi and hapu, local conservation groups such as Coast Care, property owners, businesses, school groups, and gardening groups. All of these locals provide a cost-effective, willing workforce. They also provide current and historic knowledge of the area. And importantly, they have a long-term commitment to the job. They have a powerful incentive to restore their own coastal environment, which in return gives huge benefits back to the community, such as protection from coastal hazards, clean and clear coastal water, improved recreation and improved economic potential, as well as increased biodiversity, the answer to many of the environmental challenges facing humans today. Learning to work with nature and to collaborate with relevant partners results in locals with an increased knowledge of their own environment and a very real sense of empowerment. They have the confidence that communities can work to reverse at least some of the negative impacts and start to restore and protect these environments. What do we need for this work? We need knowledge, both scientific and traditional. We need practical expertise. We also need good policy and helpful guidelines. And finally, adaptive management. And there will be compromises, with a balance between human needs and ecological principles. Partnerships for locals will come from many different sectors: government departments, local and regional councils, iwi and hapu, universities and other research groups, environmental consultants and specialist plant nurseries. Leading, encouraging and supporting all this work is the Coastal Restoration Trust, a unique New Zealand non-profit organisation with an ultimate vision of seeing New Zealand's coast restored and sustainably managed using Indigenous species. The Trust works to raise awareness of the importance of our coast, carrying out and encouraging research, including offering student scholarship projects, communicating, providing accessible and practical information and advice by their handbook and articles, or by videos like this series. And by workshops and field demonstrations. Holding an annual conference to update and to encourage networking and partnerships. From grassroots level up and all across New Zealand. Advocating at a policy and law-making level and throughout the whole New Zealand public for restoring and sustainably managing our coasts into the future.